One more example. We were called out here. This house already has a system. Like I said, there's a whole nother market opening up, an aftermarket coming in behind people that want to give this business a shot. There's gravel perforated pipe. That's footer tile. That's supposed to be even with the footer in a trench that's out here about 1 foot, 2 foot. And that's supposed to be in a bed of gravel. They've got it laying on top of the footer all the way around this home. They've just strewed the pipe up on top of the footer and covered them with gravel and let her eat. I guess you could do that in a day. There's water everywhere, water all over the place. Yeah, the water would have to get up about six inches to get into that footer tile. Again, a footer tile is below the footer, below or level to the footer, not laying on top of the ground. Over and out.